Like it would be like a walk along the beach, except it's a
Pantsu
walk along a
The
zombie-ridden
Pantsu
land.
Express?
Wait, what does that sign say?
Read it, read
Oh. Welcome to the Pantsu Express. No photographs.
A
No
little bit
creepers.
suspicious. Don't you think? But Sana, would you be allowed on the Pantsu Express?
Oh my goodness, that's right. I'm not wearing any panties.
Yeah. we might. Maybe that's why there are no mine cards.
It's okay. Nobody will know if we just like sneak in.
I don't think so. I think we can get away with it. There will be no evidence.
Well, it's so dark.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you know, we would have been okay if we had 2 beds in the house, so
That's right.
I have to submit an official complaint.
You know, maybe I didn't get a bed because I don't have any panties.
Oh, yeah.
Panty discrimination.
Yeah, who knew this place was so unfriendly to those who wear no panties?
Look at this! Look. Yes? Yes, a 4, yes! 4, yes, 4, 4! Ah! Ah!
There's potatoes falling from the sky.
Ah! I can see your pantsu!
Oh no! No, no, no! Don't look!
Oh, look at all that wheat!